Hello Shipox family. So in this video we are going to cover how to do first mile pickup. In order for you to complete the full process, all you can do is, let's just take this order as an example. Since this order is assigned to the courier company respectively at this moment, let me just assign it to a specific driver and then show you the complete process. Once you click on batch orders update, you can simply select the status to be driver assigned, and I'm just going to select one demo driver for now and show you the process. Once I hit submit, this order is going to be assigned to the driver. Now let me just quickly switch over to the mobile app of the driver and show you how the process is done. From here, once you're on your roster, you can just simply click on the top left corner and go to orders. Here, you will be able to see the recent orders. Let me just scroll down a little bit to see the most recent order, since it's coming from a city which is unknown. It is just for a demo purpose, so it's going to be completely different on your side. I have initiated the order process for now, and I have completed the pickup point, which requires the signature of the sender. And once I complete it, it's going to show me a sign where it says bring the item to the sorting facility, which is the warehouse. So once I bring the item to the sorting facility, the respective admin, the courier company, is required to complete the rest of the process, which is dispatching to the recipient address.